Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which again will be responsible for building a voice recognizer, Google Translator, uh, translating your text from one language to another. So let me just run this Python script. It's using quite a number of third-party packages of Python. You can see GTTS, Google Translate, speech recognition, everything. Let me first of all initialize this application by running it python app.py. So as soon as you run this, you will see speak hello to initiate the translation. Hello. So now it will actually initiate your translation. So it will say that speak a sentence to translate. So I am speaking some kind of sentence. So you will see now it will create this MP3 file. So let me
पहल
just turn.
अनुवाद तो ये कहेगा कि अनुवाद करने के लिए इसे वाक्य बोलें।
So you can see that guys, it translated to
पहल
this
अनुवाद तो
language.
ये कहेगा कि अनुवाद करने के लिए इसे वाक्य बोलें।
So in this easy way, you can translate your text directly in the terminal and it will create a MP3 file in that specific language. You can I have given this script in the description of the video. So you can basically translate to any language here. This is Hindi here. That's why this two-letter digit code, it is translating your English text into Hindi. Let me translate this to ES. ES stands for Spanish. Here you just need to paste the two-letter digit language code. And now if I just run this script here, so now what it will do, again you repeat the same process, type hello to initiate the translation, and you just speak any sort of sentence here. You will speaking a test sentence. It will be translating this English from Spanish. So it will do the translation and then it will create this MP3 file.
Traducción y solo hablas cualquier tipo de oración. Hablará una oración de prueba. Traducirá este inglés del español.
So as you can see guys, it's successfully translated my English sentence to Spanish automatically, then created this MP3 file and automatically played the file as well. So all the things are happening at the same time here. So let me now show the Python script here. I have given the script in the description of the video. You can go to my blog post and directly paste the script. So now let me just show you how I built this. So first of all, delete everything, just create a simple app.py file, and then we require the necessary packages. First of all, the speech recognition as SPR, and then we also require this Google Translate package from translator. It's a free Google Translator API package for Python, and then we also have this package GTTS. From this we import this. After importing all the packages we recognize the speech recognizer. We initialize this. It contains this recognizer function. We initialized it. After initializing it, we simply give the permission to your microphone, and we use this microphone method, and here we pass your device index, your microphone index. So I simply pass my microphone index, and after that we simply require like this, we specify and just put the, we will say to the user speak anything, and start by speaking hello to initiate the translation. So after that we specify, we recognize the text that the user will speak and store it inside my text. And this recognizer, it contains this function here, which we need to define this function, which is recognize speech. We basically pass the recognizer one and the source. So whatever the microphone, it will automatically detect your language and store it inside this source. So we are passing this to this function. Now we just need to define this function, which is recognize speech. It will automatically take these two arguments. First of all, your recognizer, and then your source. Inside this function, inside the try catch block, we specify the recognizer, and we simply use this function here, adjust for ambient noise. So here we are simply reducing the noise here which is coming from the microphone, and then extracting all the audio and converting that audio, that speech, to audio, and returning this text. So this is all the function right here. We are getting this text stored inside this variable. So after that, we get the text, we translate this text to the native language that you specify, my text and hello in my text. If this is the case here, we now initialize our translator service. We initialize it, and then we specify the from language and the to language. So here you just need to paste the 2-letter digit code. So we are translating it from English to Hindi. So after that, we again convert this and then create a MP3 file. So again we initialize this. So we again call this if get So all the script guys I've given in the description of the video. Essentially it is translating it to the native language, and then it is using this GTTS package to create an MP3 file, to create this convert this text into MP3, and then starting that MP3 file automatically. So this completes your script. So again, if you let me just again start this. So all this script is given in the description of the video. So if you have any sort of doubt, you can go to that web page and directly copy paste the script. So once you paste it, simply go to your terminal, run this, and hello, speak hello to initiate the translation, and then speak any sort of sentence through your microphone, and that sentence will be translated to the language that you have specified. So you can see automatically
Iniciar la traducción y luego hablar cualquier tipo de oración a través de su micrófono y esa oración se traducirá al.
So in this easy way guys, you can build out this voice translator plus with Google Translate automatically built in. So in this easy way you can build this. All the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.